Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
O'Brien!
I'm trying to make a video! Hi, it's me again. Brian Sparky's Model Salvage. So, been showing in the last couple videos. Just going to start another one. Of course, you know, wreck it, do what I normally do. And, yeah, got another one for you. 64 Buick Riviera. Should be pretty easy to do. Everything's done up on it. Just gonna make it look like it got it out of a barn. That shouldn't take me too long to do. So that's a little gouge right there. So I'll take care of that. I might work the body a little bit. I don't know. So yeah, let's get started. All right. So don't know exactly what I'm going to do to this yet. I'm definitely not going to take any of the decals off. That's for sure. So, yeah. Start by taking it apart here. See what comes off easily and what doesn't. Okay. So let's go ahead and start taking it apart here. Yeah, it's spring loaded. It's interesting. Never seen one of these. And it's obviously very old, so just gotta try and pry it apart here. Oh wow, this is, man, this thing's glued in there. Oh boy. I didn't think that this was gonna be that bad. Oh, come on. Will you come up? Seriously, what is holding this thing on here? I cannot get this thing to come off. Oh, God, I don't want to break it. What is... This is ridiculous. Oh, come on! I got an idea. No, you're going to come off of there. Oh. Never mind. It's a screw bottom. Okay. Look, it's out. That was easy. Got the damn house on fire. Okay. Alright. So, got that all apart. Liking that interior there. Gonna have to just clean it up. Yeah, I'll figure out something there. Yeah, I'm gonna get to that later. not a good interior guy, but I'll figure that out. Not gonna really do anything to the motor. I'll might weather that. Definitely take off the wheels and tires here. Yeah, you know what I do. Mainly focus on the body, the glass. Yeah, I know it's snapped, but that'll go right back in there because you just cut them off at the, at the ends right there and glue them back up in there. I'll have to grind that out or something. What's left of the window up there. And, yeah, shouldn't be too bad. I like the decals that are on it. I'm going to keep those. Definitely just pretty much just clean up the body. Maybe put a couple dents in it. I don't know. Scuff it up, definitely. Weather it a little bit. Alright, so kind of looking over the interior, and I don't want to take out that cage. That thing's like cemented in there. And I don't want to take out the seat. But I don't feel like, I feel like that one does not belong there. So I think what I'm going to do is cut it out. And I'm just going to put some styrene in there to make it look like it's just metal back there, and then repaint it is what I'm kind of going for here. So yeah, I think I can make that look better. I don't know if I want to do that work though. So it might be a little bit of work, but yeah, give me something to do. I totally screwed up the interior. Yeah, I'm not even gonna start. Why? How? Just we're gonna just leave that over there because I'm frustrated. All right, so I think I do want to make it look. We'll dent it up on the side. So I'm going to go ahead, do what I normally do. Carriage bolts. If you watched my last episode of Monday Model Cars and More, this thing, awesome. Absolutely awesome. It's a heat pin. Got from Walmart for like 20 bucks. This thing is amazing. Turn on direct heat right where you want it. So way less heat than a heat gun, and yeah, not as much as a lighter. So I love this thing. I'm gonna use this thing all the time. So all right, here we go. I think that looks good. That's all I wanted there. Just more on one side than the other. Got the windows in. Interior's back in. There's no cage. I don't know what happened to that cage. Yeah, I'll probably do a little bit more weathering for the body. Once I get the chassis in, the chassis is black. Did the tires. One of them snapped off here. I gotta glue that back on. Yeah, then I gotta do the chrome. Yeah, that's about it. Might stick the motor back in there. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. There it is, done. I bent the wheel back a little bit, did some more weathering on the body there. Had to heat it up a little bit to push that up so you don't see it when it's sitting on the ground there. Yeah, just want to make it look like it got hit in one side, and I don't know, see what I come up with there. And yeah, I almost lost it there for a little bit, and I was like, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm really liking this, but now it's like, hell yeah, I'm really liking it. Could have probably done a little bit better with the back, but all right. But yeah, looks great. I like it. So hood's not going to open. Don't have a motor in there. So yeah, I am done. So yeah, I'm off to the next one. I got 2 more I'm trying to finish this week. It's the week of Thanksgiving right now as I'm shooting this video. So it's a Tuesday. Took yesterday off, didn't really do much. Had a 64 that or a 62 that I found, a convertible that I found in a stash of someone else's stuff, and I was missing a rim and a bumper, so I took the rims off, found a bumper off my other one, and put some wires on it, lowered it, so it looks pretty cool. I like it. So yeah, if you haven't, go like this video, comment anything that you'd like me to do, maybe something that you'd like to see me do. I got some techniques I'm going to start doing here soon. Just trying to finish up these last 2 this week so I can start on maybe something bigger next week. And got some ideas what I want to do, but I'm trying to get these other 2 done too. So yeah, share this video, share it to some of your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.
your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?